Mindset Rastafari. So, put up on a journey. Mindset. They're on it again, you know the thing, Rastafari. Yeah. I make the move them we're supposed to make. Yeah. And yeah, Africa. It's Africa home, you know. And I'll leave that out. Regardless what I want. Right? So more love, more strength. As I just start travel blog. I just start travel blog. Yeah. So catch up on the other side. I move towards the greater side, which is Ethiopia, Africa. Alright, where gods and goddesses love to be. Right, that's it, Rastafari.